Welcome back to another episode of Ask the Attorney. I'm your host, Alex Alexander with Client Focus Media. Today, I'm super excited to bring Ticora Davis, the Creators Law Firm, turning legacy-driven entrepreneurs into protected and supported CEOs. They're based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. You can find them online at creatorslawfirm.com. Welcome, Ticora. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
We are super excited to have you here, so thank you for being on the show today. So you and I spoke briefly before we came on camera, and very first thing I want people to understand is what you do. Now, obviously, in the intro, we talked about you turn legacy-driven entrepreneurs into protected, supported CEOs. So, very first thing is explain that, and then some of the other things you guys can actually do to help people in business and protect their business identity. So, go right ahead, please.
Sure. Well, in short, we help experts and entrepreneurs protect their brands so they can grow their business with peace of mind. We do that by offering a suite of legal services that really range from intellectual property, such as trademark and copyright registration, complex contract drafting, and even delving into the world of licensing. We also provide support with business formation and restructuring, and really providing ongoing business advice. We love partnering with our clients to help them make executive level decisions in their businesses because as a CEO, oftentimes the most difficult thing that you have to do is make decisions, and being able to partner with a trusted legal advisor and counselor as it relates to expanding your business strategically, we are able to step in and provide that to our clients.
So, in a nutshell, if I'm in business or I'm thinking about getting into business, I should probably talk to Ticora. Is that right?
Yes, you should definitely speak with me. Yeah. I'm a little biased, but I think that would be a wise decision.
Let's put this in perspective a little bit. So, anybody online that happens to see this video, hi, thank you for watching. But let's talk about if you're in business or before you become a business, whether it be a partner or a sole proprietorship, there's some certain things that you have to do, and some of those things. While I don't recommend it at all, and I'm not even an attorney, but some of those things you can do yourself online. There are many problems with that, and you would find that out if you did it that way. So if you are an individual who is wanting to start a business and you have questions, this is where the Talk to Ticora is going to come in, right? So I want you to be able to go to their website, which is creatorslawfirm.com, and be able to find more information about what you should be doing. One of the unique things that Ticora does that I haven't seen anybody else do is sort of a welcome packet. Can you talk about this for just a moment?
Sure. A lot of times we are supporting first generation entrepreneurs. Some of them are female founders, founders of color. And this is their first experience working with a business attorney. Primarily, the service that we offer is trademark services, which can really have a very long service time, about a year and a half. And so what I pride myself on doing, especially serving first generation entrepreneurs, is educating my clients throughout the process. We believe that if we empower you and empower our clients with the legal knowledge that they need to protect their brand, then they will be able to extend that to their family and their community. And so one of the ways that we do that is just really uncomplicating the complex and breaking down legal services, because legal doesn't have to be complicated, contrary to popular belief. And so one of the things that we send to our clients is this client welcome box right here. And so our clients will receive this when they come on board, when they hire us for trademark legal services. And when they open up the box, it says, "Great day." That's something that I always say to greet my clients. And sometimes I say it in person as well. Inside of this box, you're going to have a lot of cool things. We have some envelopes inside, and this walks my clients through my 5-phase trademark process. And each phase starts with a different letter of the acronym SMART. So my tagline, which is trademark, is "We help you protect your smarts." And so we'll start with envelope S, where you'll schedule time to submit your intake information. M is where we're going to map out your best path forward by sharing with you the legal analysis of your trademark and the strength of it. A is going to be where the client approves their draft trademark application and we apply and submit that. Phase R is where we're going to be reviewing your application and responding to any issues that could possibly arise. And then the final phase is going to be T, which is where they're going to actually be trademarked. Now, these envelopes aren't just something that is just something beautiful and pretty to look at. Inside of them contains action cards. And so this is where that education piece, we educate our clients to action. And so we're sharing with you what happens in each phase. What resources do we have to support you? And then on the back, there's actually a checklist for our clients to walk through where you have key action steps. And then when you actually complete the phase, what's really, really cool that I absolutely love is that you have a smart badge. Inside of this smart badge is a sticker. And this is letting you know that you have completed that phase. And once you complete that phase, you'll open up your journey map on the road to registry, and you get to place your sticker, which is the S sticker, wherever phase it is, and you place that on the map. So at the end of this process, when you have a registered trademark, my clients are literally holding up on their road to registry how smart they are because they protected their smarts. And so you'll see different stickers on this road to registry map. This is really cool because some of my clients are, young athletes and children and parents who are investing in their future. And so this is an educational piece, not just for parents of children or just parents themselves or just entrepreneurs themselves, but it's also really great as it relates to some of the younger clients that we happen to represent. And so again, I really wanted to take a virtual service, something that is rendered digitally, and provide my clients with a tangible piece that they can have at home. And if they ever wonder, well, where am I at on the road to registry? They can always go to their box. If they receive a bump in the road, we have some educational pieces in here to let them know like what's happening and what various approaches that we'll take. And so that's what really distinguishes us from our competitors and counterparts, because we really are creating tangible tools and solutions for our clients to empower them throughout the entire process. Thank you for allowing me to share that.
Thank you for sharing. So let's just kind of recap this real quick. And first of all, thank you for being on the show today. And I want to thank everyone out there for tuning into this episode of Ask the Attorney. But if you are an entrepreneur, young or old, doesn't matter, and you wanted to get into business, the very first thing I'm going to tell you to do is you're going to talk to Ticora. You're going to go online and go to creatorslawfirm.com, and you're going to get a hold of her, and she's going to be able to put you into the SMART process to help you be a smart entrepreneur, which is awesome. So if you'd like to learn more about Ticora Davis, obviously go to creatorslawfirm.com or right here at iwantabuzz.com. Do something good for yourself and do something good for others.